Question 21. The scatter diagram shows information about 10 students. For each student, it shows the number of hours spent revising and the mark the student achieved in a Spanish test. One of the points is an outlier. Write down the coordinates of the outlier. So, for all these points here, we can see a definite trend. This point here is the outlier, and the coordinates there are 4, 10. For all the other points, we need to draw in the line of best fit. So we need a line that goes through all of these points, covering most of them as closely as possible, and with the same amount on either side. Now that we have the line of best fit, we need to describe the correlation. As we can see, as the hours spent revising increases, so does the mark that they achieved. So we could describe this as positive correlation. A different student revised for 9 hours. Estimate the mark that this student got. In order to estimate this, we need to read up from 9 hours here, which should be there, up to the graph, and then across from our line of best fit to here, which looks like to me around about 63 marks. This will depend on your line of best fit. The Spanish test was marked out of 100. Lucia says that I can see from the graph that I had revised for 18 hours, I would have got full marks. Comment on what she says. So, we can't actually make this comment from the graph. 18 is outside of the range of the data that we used, so any estimation or approximation that we make based on the line of best fit that's outside of our data range is from 2 to around 12, any estimation we make outside of that is going to be inaccurate.